Small salary, big investment. How to grow wealth on a limited income. It's widely recognized that investing is one of the most secure and efficient ways to grow your wealth. The power of investment lies in the principle of compound interest, where the returns on your investment generate additional earnings over time. This compounding effect can turn even a modest salary into a substantial sum, provided you invest consistently and wisely. 1. Diversify your investment portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. By spreading your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, ETFs, bonds, and fixed deposits, you reduce the impact of market volatility on your overall portfolio. Each asset class reacts differently to market conditions, so when one is down, another may be up, balancing your overall risk. 2. Align investments with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's crucial to tailor your investment choices to your personal risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. If you're more risk-averse, you might prefer bonds and fixed deposits, which offer more stable returns. On the other hand, if you're comfortable with higher risk for potentially higher returns, stocks and ETFs could be more suitable. 3. Create an investment plan. Even with a small salary, you can achieve big investment goals by designing a thoughtful investment plan. Start by assessing your current financial situation, setting realistic goals, and determining how much you can afford to invest each month. Working with trusted and reliable investment brokers can provide you with valuable insights and tools to implement your plan effectively. Defining your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, saving for retirement, or funding your children's education, will guide your investment strategy and help you stay focused on achieving those goals. 4. Prioritize financial planning and budgeting. Proper financial planning and budgeting are essential for growing wealth on a limited income. By meticulously tracking your expenses and cutting out non-essential spending, you can free up more money for investments. This disciplined approach not only increases the amount you can invest, but also helps you avoid debt and maintain financial stability. They can help you identify the best investment opportunities that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 5. Take advantage of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest. Over time, the returns on your investments start to generate their own returns, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth growth. Even small, regular contributions can lead to significant growth if you stay committed to your investment strategy. Building substantial investments with a small salary is entirely possible with the right approach. By diversifying your portfolio, aligning investments with your goals and risk tolerance, creating a solid investment plan, and prioritizing financial planning, you can achieve significant financial growth over time. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage and invest what you have.